Hot waves are here. That means a time for our portable airco units. If you would like to use it at night, you may have a problem. Noise. The noise is made by the fan, which is pushing the hot air on one side and cold air on the other. The solution is to move the aircon unit to a different room. You might probably asking, what do you mean? How will the aircon in the different room cool me down? We'll explain it. First, we need some parts. Front blowing portable airco unit, reducer, exhaust hose, that usually comes with an aircon, tape, scissors, and flexible duct hose. Now we need some space. We'll cut 4 strips of tape. Attach the reducer. Tape the holes. Attach the hot air exhaust hose. Attach the cold air hose. And we're done. Place your airco unit in the best location with as short exhaust hose as possible. Extend the cold air hose to the room you would like to cool down. Here are some pros and cons of the solution. This solution is quiet in the room you are cooling down. It is relatively cheap once you have a suitable portable unit, and the deployment is quick. On the other side, it is noisy in the room you put the aircon unit to. You will lose some air pressure over a distance. It is quite a bodge, not a replacement for split wall mounted airco unit. Thank you for watching. Please let me know your opinion in the comments. Bye.